Hello, this is growers feed formula using cassava leaf meal. Grower feed is the feed you give to your chicken between the weeks of 8 and 18. You can still give it to your broilers if you want them to grow long legs, have very good height. You give them growers feed. And grower feed is also good for layers birds before they start laying. They can still eat growers feed till they start laying. Even when they have laid up to 1 month, they can still continue eating growers feed before you change to layers feed. So in this particular feed formula, I'm going to give you how to make use of cassava leaf meal and other ingredients to drop the cost of your chicken feed and at the same time maximize profit. So I would advise you to watch the video till the end so that you get the best from this particular video. We're going there now. Now we have grower feed. This feed is between 8 and 18 weeks. Of chicken. And we're going to start, and the crude protein should be between 17 to 19%. This 100 kg should be 7. Now let's start. The first ingredient we have here is maize. Maize here we have 55%, 55 kg. Remember that maize is 8.5% crude protein content. Maize alone. The next one is soybean. Soybean here, we're making use of 12%. That's 12 kg. And the crude protein content of soybean, quality soybean, is 45%. Then blood meal here, we are making use of 4 kg. Blood meal is up to 80% crude protein. Then cassava leaf meal here, we are making use of 7 kg. It has up to 25% crude protein. We replaced the animal crude protein, so we are making use of fish meal. Fish meal, we are using 5 kg. Fish meal is up to 60% crude protein. Then wheat offal, we are using up to 12 kg. Wheat offal has up to 15% crude protein. Then bone meal. Bone meal here we're using 2.5 kg. No protein in bone meal. Then limestone here, limestone, we're making use of 1.5 kg. No protein. Then salt here, we're using 0.5 kg. Vitamin premix, you're using 0.5. Menthol 0.5. Lysine 0.5. All of this has no protein. So in the particular feed, what we have here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 are for protein. They have protein and other mineral and nutrients we need. So we are in this particular video, we have all these ingredients. These are the ingredients that has crude protein. All this one doesn't have. So we're going to add all the crude protein content of all these ingredients to get the total crude protein of this particular feed, then to know whether it suits grower or not. So let's start with this. We are going to start with 55%. This will give us corn, maize, 55 times 8.5 divided by 100 to give us 12 times 45 all over, and this will give us 4 times 80 all over 100. This will give us 7 times 25 all over. This will give us 5 times 60 all over 100. This will give us 12 times 15 all over 100. So this is what we have now. Now, 55 times this will give us 55 times 8.5 divided by 100 equals 4.675. This will give us 12 times 80, 12 times 45 divided by 100. This will give us 5.4. No, this is 4 times 80 times 80 divided by 100. This will give us 3.2. The next one is 7 times 25 divided by 100. That will give us 1.75. The next one is 5 times 60 divided by 100. That will give us 3. Next one is 12 times 15 divided by 100. That will give us 1.8. You add up all this plus all this. Let's add them. 1.8 plus 3 plus 1.75 plus 3.2 plus 5.4 plus 4.675. This will give us 19.825. 19.825. This particular feed is good for growers. This is 19% crude protein. This feed is good, and this feed is cassava leaf meal. So if this particular video is interesting and educative to you, give it a thumb up, like this video, share it, and if you want the layers feed formula using cassava leaf meal, drop it on the comment section. I will also develop that formula for you and give you the formula. If by now you have not subscribed to this channel, this is the right time for you to subscribe. Subscribe and activate the bell notification so that anytime I release an update on this particular topic or any other topic on poultry and livestock animal related content, you get notified by this wonderful app. And at the same time, join our channel community by clicking join or going through the channel description. You see the link there. Click on that link. That will get you to the channel membership. Select any of the membership group class you want and join us. This will help us to grow the channel and will also help you to grow your business. For now, till the next topics loaded, I will say bye. Share the video to reach more farmers.